In this social networking traffic video, we're going to be looking at a really cool site that's very simple to use. It's straightforward. This won't be a long video, but it will give you an idea of how quickly you can be getting traffic and quality traffic to your websites. If you go to Yahoo Answers, you can either type it into your favorite search engine, or you can go to, literally, it's http // there's no www, it's just literally answers.yahoo.com. That's answers.yahoo.com, or go to Yahoo search engine and just type in Yahoo Answers and you'll get this page. And what this basically is you can either post a question straight away. So if you're having a problem with a certain thing, you can post a question and it will get posted to a question list. Then there'll be an answer network where you can share knowledge, you can help others, you can earn points. And then there's a discover section. We're going to be focusing just on these two at the moment, the ask and the answer. And as you can see here, there's a little rotation here of Yahoo Answers blog. It rotates between that and the best answers so far. There's questions that you can answer straight off the bat on the front page, so if people have got questions they're listing here, which you can flick through, and if you know and can provide a really good answer to them, you can log in and give an answer. Why is that good? Well, let's take this one. Look, what's the best gym equipment you can buy in the shops? Let's have a look at that. We go into there. So if you're a fitness expert and you know a lot about gym equipment and you can answer this question, and again, you know, only answer questions you can genuinely ask that you're credible with. And you basically then hit answer a question. Why is that good? Well, if you look at it here, if somebody answers a question, I'm going to go into one that's resolved here. Does anyone have any good weight loss tips? Hold on a second, let's go back. So I hit the wrong category. Resolve questions. How might I get healthier? The best answer. See, what happens as well is you can actually rate. I mean, we've been rated on a couple of categories now. We've been actually rated with the best answer, which is great because it gives you more credibility. But if someone says to you, ask the question, and then you get given, they rate you as an answer, and the best rated answer is listed that person. Now, if I click here on this particular person, you've got them where you can add them to your contacts. You can save them, you can add them to your Yahoo, you can join the RSS feed, and all sorts of things from this very page. Of course, as you build up your reputation with answers and quality of answers, it gives you a status as an expert, and then you can start linking people through to your website so that you can then get the traffic from there. So Yahoo Answers is a great way for you to build up a reputation in a market you know about. As you can see here, this is the top level. There are just literally hundreds of different topics and categories. So no doubt, you know, there's something in here that you'd be of interest to you that you could quite happily answer questions on. So how do we go about it? Well, first of all, we just need to sign up. If you have a Yahoo email account already, it's easy, but otherwise it's hitting new user sign up. And on this page, you basically have to put in your name, address, male or female, date of birth, where you live, postcode goes on here as well. If you've already got an ID or email address for Yahoo, again, you can just sign in here. Otherwise, you just go to the process here of filling out this information on this page, select an ID and password. That will then you'll then have a Yahoo account, an alternative email in case they need to get hold of you, security question and answer. You have to put in the code here, of course, to try and stop spamming people joining up and create an account. Or as I said, you can sign in using your Yahoo ID, which we're going to put in here now, just to show you inside the site. Okay, so once you've logged into an account, all you need to do is go through and find different questions. Like, for example, someone here saying, help, I've got broadband on 2 PCs, can you help me? So you can give someone an answer. Every time you give an answer, your point score goes up. Now, I'm actually logged into my personal account here rather than our business account. As you can see, this one's not being used very much. It's only on 118 points. But you get points and go up the levels the more points you get, which gives you a better rating within the site. And people will trust you more and more as you go up the ratings. This is a great way to establish yourself as an expert in a niche, and you can even then refer to this and even put campaigns on your blog So it's a great way of building traffic through basically making yourself known to be an expert. So that's all you need to do. You literally open up a Yahoo Mail account, or you can just go straight to Yahoo Answers and open an account from there, and then get inside and get stuck in starting to answer some questions. If you combine this then with something like the Yahoo Toolbar, which is available once you have a Yahoo account, which then allow people to bookmark sites, you'll also get a situation, we'll show you another video of how to use Yahoo bookmarks, where people can be bookmarking your site. You could be answering questions on your blog as well as within Google, within Yahoo Answers. And as I said, this will build up your credibility in your particular niche. So that's it. It's how easy it is to use and to get the recognition, but a great way to build up your reputation and obviously see more traffic from it. So that's how simple it is to be using Yahoo Answers.
You know